The overall goal of detecting UV reflectance on fish, such as Poecilia latipinna, is to understand how UV reflecting structures might impact the mating behavior of the species.
This method can help us understand mating preferences, such as whether UV cues are important, and if so, whether they are used by both sexes. The main advantage of this technique is that it allows us to detect cues that might not be visible to us, but might be very important to the fish.
For this protocol, first calibrate a spectrophotometer and a light source to a known white standard. The room lights should be low prior to all calibrations. Calibrate the instrument to all the wavelengths that will be measured, which must include the UV wavelengths between 300 and 400 nanometers. Now, put on gloves and anesthetize a fish in a 0.5% solution of ethyl-3-aminobenzoate methane sulfonic acid salt known as MS-222, buffered with an equal quantity of sodium bicarbonate. When the fish becomes unresponsive, immediately transfer it to a black non-reflective background. Before taking measurements, dim the room lights again. To record the reflectance data, use analysis software. To match the setting here, set the integration time to 2000 seconds. Set the average number of scans to 2 and set the pixel smoothing value to 5.